this is lesson number 2 for you. So first thing I want you to do is click on the document, document lesson 2. When you open that up, you'll get this document right here. Make a copy into your Google Drive. You'll share this with me when you're done. So first thing, come up with one question about Australian art or dance. Type that in the box. When you're done with that, make a guess about how Australia art or dance is similar or different to either Hmong or Karen art or dance. Think of that as your pre-class. Write that in there. Cool. The next thing, you're going to Google Australian art or Australian dance, whichever one you're more interested in. And you're going to put 2 facts you find interesting here. Alright, once you've got that done, then you're going to go to Actively Learn. And there's a document in here called Australian Reading Sheet number 1. You're going to read that. It's not very long. And you're going to put down at least one question that you have after reading the document. At least one comment you have. I liked, I didn't like, this is interesting, whatever. One comment. And at least one fact that you think is important. If we were to have a quiz, what would be one of the facts from that sheet that would be on the quiz? Think of it like that. Put your your details, put your facts, type it all up right in the box here. After you're done with that, you're going to go back to Schoology. And there's a video in there on Australian dance. You're going to click on that, and you're going to watch it. It's not a very long video. And when you're done with that, you're going to look at some pictures in Schoology called Australian art right here. Some of these require you to respond to questions. Others, you just kind of look at the picture and read what I typed down below. When you've looked at both of those, there's one more link I want you to look at. That's Australian music. One of the oldest, if not the oldest, wind instrument, something you blow into, comes from Australia. It's called, and you'll see it here. One of the masters of it playing it. It's a 2-minute video. You don't have to watch the whole 2 minutes. You can only just watch about a minute of it. It does get kind of loud, so if you have your volume cranked up, just keep in mind it will get kind of loud. When you're all done with those, then you're going to look back at the question. You're going to look back at this question that you typed at the very top here. One question you had about Australian art or music or dance, whatever. And you're going to tell me whether or not that was answered by what you did today. That's the first thing you're going to do. And then, after that, you're going to look at your guess. What guess did you make? Was your guess right? Was it wrong? What now? What do you think afterwards? Because now that shouldn't be a guess. Now you should know. So you're going to type that in there. When you're all done, your last box here to fill in, what's one thing that we'd like to know about Australia art, dance, music that you didn't learn from today? You're going to put that in there. When you're done with that, you're done with lesson number 2. Just make sure you share it with me. Share this Google Doc with me. Alright, those are your directions. Have fun.